Hey everyone! Today I've got a super easy recipe that's going to wow your taste buds. Banana croissants filled with melting chocolate and rich cheese. It's a decadent mix of sweet and savory, and the best part? It only takes 5 minutes of work to prepare. Whether you're after a lavish breakfast treat or a luxurious dessert, this recipe is perfect. So, let's dive in and give these classic pastries a delicious twist. First up, let's prep our fillings. I'm opting for dark chocolate because it's packed with antioxidants, making it a healthier choice. But feel free to go with any chocolate or spread that you love. As for the cheese, I'm using mozzarella for its perfect melt and mild flavor, enhancing our croissants without overwhelming the sweet notes. Now let's get to the fun part, the bananas. First off, gently peel off the skin from one side of the banana. Next, with a spoon, we're going to carve out 2 lines along the banana's curve. Carefully scoop out the flesh to create a cozy little space for our delicious fillings. And here's where the magic happens. We'll fill one banana with soft, stretchy mozzarella cheese, and the other with chunks of rich dark chocolate. It's all about getting those fillings snugly into the spaces we've just made. Moving on to crafting our croissants. We're taking a shortcut with store-bought puff pastry. Feel free to grab any brand or type you come across at the store. Roll out the pastry gently and slice it into strips. Now, the creative part, wrap those pastry strips carefully around the banana, tucking and rolling until it's fully encased. And just like that, our croissants are shaped and ready to go. It's really that simple. With just a wrap and a roll, we've transformed our bananas into something truly special. There is an important step we can't skip, preheating the oven. Now, with the oven warming up, let's move on to beating that egg until it's nice and smooth for our egg wash. With a pastry brush in hand, gently coat the surface of our pastry-wrapped bananas with this egg wash. Applying an egg wash gives our croissants a beautiful golden sheen as they bake, and it helps to create that deliciously crispy crust that makes croissants so irresistible. Now it's time to bake our masterpieces. Carefully place the croissants into the preheated oven, and let's set the timer for 20 minutes. This is where the magic happens, where puff pastry turns golden and fillings get deliciously melty. Once those 20 minutes are up, carefully take them out of the oven. Now, for the grand reveal. Let's slice the croissants in half to unveil the hidden treasures inside. As you cut through, watch as the melted fillings elegantly ooze out, creating a beautiful mouth-watering contrast against the flaky pastry. To add the final touch of magic, let's give the croissants a light dusting of powdered sugar or drizzle them with some chocolate syrup. And there we have it, our beautifully crafted banana croissants with chocolate and cheese fillings, ready to impress and delight. Each bite is a perfect harmony of sweet and savory, encased in a golden flaky crust. And that's a wrap on our delicious adventure. Thanks for joining me in making these decadent banana croissants. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty treats. Happy baking, and see you in the next video.